Learn how to make a natural decongestant. It can't hurt to know how to make a good, natural decongestant at home. It's perfect for those days when you have a cold or the flu, or just feel trouble coming on, like that first obstruction in the nose or chest that keeps you from breathing freely. This treatment is simple and effective. Also, you won't experience any of the typical side effects that are sometimes associated with certain medications. Why not give it a try? The benefits of a natural decongestant. This decongestant is appropriate for the entire family, including children. Its natural ingredients are usually on hand at home. They're also inexpensive and provide the following benefits. Antiviral action. Decongestant and antibacterial properties. Stimulate the immune system. Anti-inflammatory. Reduces mucus production to allow you to breathe better. Suitable for the flu, colds, and any time you suffer from allergies. Recipe for a natural decongestant. Ingredients. 1/2 tablespoon of ground turmeric, 5 grams. Juice of 1 lemon. Three tablespoons of honey, 90 grams. Three tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 60 milliliters. 1/2 cup of water, 100 milliliters. A pinch of cayenne pepper. Three eucalyptus leaves. How do you make it? You begin by bring the water to a boil, adding the eucalyptus leaves to make a tea. It's very easy. Then add your cayenne pepper and the turmeric. You want these to dissolve in the water and release their wonderful benefits. Turn off the heat and add your honey, apple cider vinegar, and lemon juice while it's still warm. Mix them well. This tea shouldn't be particularly thick. Strain your decongestant into a bottle, making sure you don't retain bits of eucalyptus leaves. To take this treatment, just take 2 tablespoons during the day, and 2 more before going to bed. For children, reduce the dose to 1 tablespoon twice a day and again at night. You can store this remedy in the fridge for up to 2 days. It's best to take it lukewarm, neither too hot or cold. Room temperature is ideal. Other treatments to relieve the nose and throat. In addition to the natural decongestant above, you can also try the following treatments to find relief: aloe, honey, and lemon tea. This is perfect for a cold morning. Just add 1 tablespoon of aloe to a cup of boiling water. Then add the juice from half a lemon and a tablespoon of honey. Drink this while it's warm, and you'll find relief. Onion vapor. This is an old traditional remedy that might surprise you, but lots of people today still find it to be effective. So what is it? Cut an onion into quarters and leave it out overnight on your bedside table. That singular smell will act as a natural antibiotic and disinfectant. Mint tea. It's easy, delicious, and effective. This tea should be prepared in the afternoon. Bring a cup of water to a boil and add 5 mint leaves. Let your tea steep for about 5 minutes. When you drink it, hold your cup to your nose and breathe in deeply. Let the steam penetrate your nostrils and pores. It will relax you, with its delicious scent. It will also clear your sinuses. Once it cools a bit, you can drink your tea. This is one of the best decongestants. Salt water. This is another well-known technique for reducing inflammation of the throat and promoting healthy airways. What is it? Just take a cup of warm water and add a tablespoon of salt. Don't drink this, just gargle with the mixture and then spit it out. The water shouldn't be too hot. And in addition to salt, baking soda is another good choice. A tablespoon of baking soda in a cup of hot water will do the trick. In this case, you can drink it in small sips throughout the day. It's very healing.